Can you take us through the last play?
Go get a bucket, Ja.
Raise your hand if you're fine in the West.
You feel about that smoke?
All the smoke. Some people don't like me. So that's why I bust their ass.
I wanted to ask you, when you come around that damn pick at the top of the key, are you ever concerned of who's under that rim?
Nah.
Jesus was down there. He gonna have to get it.
Yeah, I say I apologize and pray after.
Avery Bradley with the deflection against Bang.
Real play by John Moran.
I mean, unreal is right. This guy just look where he is.
Welcome back to the NBA. You were a little winded down the stretch. That's to be expected. How did you cope with that?
I'm a dog.
Ja, they have so much size, yet somehow you continue to drive in the paint. What's going through your mind when you're taking it at those bigs?
I don't fear nobody.